Hey y'all, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel and happy September 1st. Today we are going to be deep cleaning this room that we have been staying in since we've all been sick. My mother-in-law was so nice to let us have this room to have like a little spare bedroom in as we are waiting to be able to fully live in the camper. We have to hook up to septic first. So we have all been really sick, as you already know from my last video, and so today we're going to be deep cleaning this room really good and then also decorating it for fall. So first we're going to do a load of clothes, and I'm going to be using the Famous Thieves laundry soap. Wash away all these gross little bugs that we have on these clothes that we have been living in these last few days. So trying to wash everything up and just get everything nice, clean, and tidy. As you can see, we have destroyed this room. It is an absolute mess, and I have finally regained some energy, and I have been so excited to deep clean this room. Y'all know there is nothing better than a good deep clean after you've been under the weather. And then I also have lots of fun fall decorating ideas, so stick around to the end of this video and you can get lots of ideas on how to decorate a bedroom for fall to make it all warm and cozy. If you are new to my channel and this is your first time watching, I wanted to say welcome, and I'm so glad to have you here. If this kind of video excites you, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here with me on my channel. And I wanted to kind of give you a little background of what's going on. So we actually lived in a double wide here on our family farm, and we actually sold it, and we are planning to build soon. And while we're building, we're going to be living in a camper that we purchased, so we're going to be decorating that up for fall. And then also we have this room, like I said, across the creek from where we're going to be building at my mother-in-law's house, or my in-laws house. And so she was very kind to let us kind of put this room together, so we had another little room to live in also. We love hanging out with them. They're like our best friends, and so it's nice to just have another room in a house where we're close to them in case there's bad weather that's going to be coming into town, because there has been lots of bad weather in our part of town lately. And so it's just nice to be able to have another room to decorate and have all of our stuff in. Right now, I'm just packing away and kind of reorganizing these drawers. This is all of the essential oils that we used while we were under the weather, and then this is all the vitamins. And so since we're still staying over here for a few more days until the camper gets situated, we're just going to go ahead and tidy up this drawer and make it all nice and clean where I can get to things easier and it's kind of tucked away and not scattered out everywhere. Watching this back, we really did make a big mess. It was really funny. We did the big move and all, and then we all got sick, so there's just chaotic mess everywhere. We have this Trouble game I have to put up. Drew and I played that a few times. That was a really fun game. Let me know if you remember the game of Trouble. That kept us entertained for a little while. And then also we binge watched on Netflix the show Friday Night Lights, and we absolutely loved it. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever seen that one before. Now that we have the sheets in the wash and we have everything kind of tidied up, it's going to be time to wipe down everything. So I'm going to be using the Famous Thieves cleaner. This cleaner is all natural, made out of just plants, no harsh chemicals or fumes like that as I'm going to be cleaning. We are trying to protect our lungs, remember? So this is the cleaner that I'm going to be using to wipe down everything in our room. This just takes 1 capful of this very highly concentrated cleaner, and you put it into a 16-ounce bottle full of water. Give it a good shake, and that's what I'm going to be using to clean everything. It is a highly effective cleaner made up of clove, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, rosemary, and lemon, and so it smells very fallish and I love it. So the Thieves Household Cleaner bottle is about $25, and it makes between 25 to 30 of these 16-ounce glass bottles. You can get these glass bottles anywhere from like the Target Dollar Spot, Walmart, Amazon, and this is what I use, like I said, to clean everything, deep clean everything with this. So if you're interested in getting a bottle of thieves, you can just email me at simplylakeandlace@yahoo.com, and I'll have that linked down below so you can email me if you have any questions about essential oils or if you have any questions about this Thieves household cleaner. I absolutely love it, and I'm telling you, you will too. I love using this stuff. As you can see now, I'm just kind of using it like you would Lysol. I'm spraying down the bedding and all of my pillows. It's just a really highly effective cleaner, and I'm telling you, it smells so good. Okay, now to clean this bathroom. I feel like this bathroom is just full of germs, and I'm so excited to get everything taken off of this little counter and wiped down really well, and then redecorate it and not have so much clutter everywhere. Okay, now we are going to use this new Thieves household kitchen and sink scrub. I absolutely love this stuff. It cleans it so well, so I'm just going to give it a little shake in the toilet and let it sit for a little bit, and then go ahead and wipe down the toilet. And whenever I finish cleaning it, then I will give the inside of the bowl a good scrub.
All night trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing. My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Okay, so now I am just going to empty this nasty water and fill it back up with some fresh water. This is the Rainbow Rainmate. It helps to purify the air, and I absolutely love it and feel like it is definitely needed in this room now. Okay, now I'm going to fill up my diffusers, and I'm going to use Raven. This has been so good for us. This is really great for upper respiratory support, and it really helps to open us up and help Drew and I to be able to breathe. And then I'm also going to use this Luscious Lemon. I love the way that this smells, and y'all, actually today, filming this video as I am deep cleaning and filling up my diffusers, I finally got my smell back, and I am so excited because I have so missed smelling my oils. for the big room reveal. I am loving this room. I feel like it feels so cozy and it's so ready for fall. I love this little pumpkin garland that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. I did get it on the 40% off though, I believe. And then this beautiful autumn leaves bed and breakfast where the snuggle is real. That actually was made for me by a local friend, and it's actually reversible, so the other side is like a reindeer lodge, I believe. And then I went to our storage unit and grabbed all of my fall pillows and used in our bedroom what would work. And then I love these mercury glass pumpkins, and of course I have the fall scene from YouTube. I love pulling up fall scenes from YouTube and picking them and putting them on our TV. It kind of looks like a beautiful piece of live art. Okay friends, that is going to be all for this little clean and decorate with me video. Thank you all so much for being here with me today. I hope that y'all are all staying safe and well, and I hope that this video inspires you to get a room cleaned up in your house and decorated for this new season that is just around the corner. Again, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for being here with me, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed being with me today cleaning and decorating. I hope that y'all have a wonderful rest of your week. God bless y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.